Okay guys, so you can see the brake light and the ABS light is on midnight here. It's been coming on off and on since I did the new brake lines. I believe the dually did the same thing. I don't think it ever stopped coming on and off. I never did activate the ABS while I was bleeding the brakes. It's probably the issue. I know they say you should do that. I don't have the tool to do that. But the brakes feel great. They actually feel the best they've ever felt with the new master cylinder and the good Hydro Boost. So I'm really happy with that. But I would like to shut these lights off. So I'm going to have to look into that. Truck's been running good. I did have an issue. That video is going to be coming up shortly. And yeah, it was truck was making a noise and I had to fix something, but it seems to be fixed now. So hopefully no more issues with this truck. I don't really want to keep going backwards. I want to go forward on this thing. But so if anybody out there watching this knows how to turn that or turn those lights off, would be appreciated. Anyway, a little update on the brakes and the brake line situation.
Big 35s whining on the asphalt, grabbing mud, slinging up some red dirt. 'Cause I'm a country boy